galvanized material. U-shape, making sure it's lasting longer. And the cage wire mesh parts. The wire mesh is Q235 wire mesh with hot dip galvanizing material. It can lasting 15 years, no rusting. And the water pipe. Water pipe is for water system together with the water nipple so that the birds can drink in here freely. And the back here is water pressure valve. This is the back side of the water pressure valve. Later we're going to see the front of the water pressure valve. This is the feed trough. Feed trough is where the birds eat the feed. So this is the consist of the cage system. Now let's go to the back side to see how it looks. So this is the first year, the egg collection of